you guys, and good morning. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is a Christmas Eve vlog, so I'm just going to take you along with the day. I don't know when you guys are viewing this, but I'm just going to say Merry Christmas. So we had an early morning. It's about like 9:30 now. So took care of the dogs this morning, got their routine done, and then at 8 a.m. bright and early, we actually had an AC guy come because we were having some issues with like dripping with the AC. We got everything fixed that needed to be fixed, but now it's about 9:30, so I need to take my glasses off and put my contacts in because we're gonna be going to Pilates today. So after that, I think we're gonna go on a walk, just get a lot of exercise in before the rest of the day and festivities. So I'm gonna take you along. Guys, we just got done with Pilates and now we're just gonna pick up a little Starbucks. I'm gonna get a chai latte. And then after that, I'm gonna go on a walk. So I'll check in with you guys a little bit later this afternoon. Hi guys, it's a while later. Took a shower. As you can tell, my hair is starting to air dry. I'm gonna use my Dyson Airspray today. If you wanna see like the routine of how I use it, I'll link that video down below, but I'll show you guys the products that I use. As you can probably tell, like I said, my hair is not naturally straight. It's starting to wave up. It's been kind of humid the past few days. I live in Florida, so that makes sense. I have not worn my hair naturally in a while, so it's looking a little crazy right now. But I'll start out with this Nioxin. I use this in like areas that are kind of like thinning. My hair looks so crazy right now. Then I use this Redken Quick Blowout Spray. And then I'll use this Redken Frizz Dismiss Roll Cream because as you can probably tell, since my hair is not naturally straight, it's on the wavier side of things, it can start to frizz. So this helps kind of like seal everything in, so I don't really struggle a whole lot with frizzy hair when I style my hair this way. I'll check in with you guys after I finish that. All right guys, I finished doing my hair and then took a little break and fed the dogs their dinner. Now I need to do my makeup, so I'm gonna do that before we have dinner because we're gonna go to Morton Steakhouse for dinner, and then after that we're going to head to church for the Christmas Eve service. So I'll check in once my makeup's done. I do have like a get ready with me video if you want to see like more of my everyday makeup routine. So yeah, if you want to check that out, I will also have that link down below. So I'm just gonna go do that and I'll check with you guys. Okay, turn the light on here because it's getting a little bit darker. So I have like an hour before the dinner reservation. So I'm not gonna change yet, but just finished the makeup. So I'm gonna hang out with the dogs, get them ready for the evening for a change, and then we head out. Hello you guys, it is the next day, so Merry Christmas. I realized I didn't end off the vlog, so after we went to dinner at Morton's, then we went to church for candlelight, and we went over for a nightcap over at the Breakers. So it was a nice little evening and came back, and now it's Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are enjoying your day and enjoying holidays with family and friends and just having a good, relaxing, fun day. Please like this video, comment down below what did your Christmas Eve look like, what traditions do you have Christmas Day, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my content. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.